Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to introduce structure of Chinese character. We know Chinese character is 汉字. 字 means character. And here 结构 means structure. 汉字结构. We have seen a lot of different kind of characters in our previous video. Here, there are two big groups for character. The first one, we call it 独体字. 独特以体字独体字. It means it has actually just single part to make this character, like 人, a person. And the second group is a combined, means it might have two part or three part to make one character. It's called 合体字. Here 体 means the body. So 合 means a combined. 独 means individual, single. Two big groups, 独体字 and 合体字. 独体字 actually is a combination of basic strokes. We learned basic strokes in the previously 8 lessons. So each of these basic stroke combined together can make a 独体字. Okay, like this 人, 时, and so on. It means you cannot separate them. If you separate them, it could only be basic stroke. It doesn't mean anything. The reason we have to know a character is a 独体 or 合体, because you later need to use the dictionary to find some character that you don't know what it is. You need to find the pronunciation and the meaning of that from dictionary. So it's important you know this character is made of basic strokes, means 独体字, are made of different part. Okay, for 合体字, the second group actually is a combination of different components. Means it can be a part, can be a character. We also call it radicals. Alright, let's see. This is the example, like this one. We learned it means good, 好. It's a combination of two characters. Left is girl, right is boy, and together means good. And here you can see also it's a two part. Two different, although this one doesn't mean anything, but it is a part, or we call it radicals. The same for these two characters. So for the 独体字, you cannot separate it. It's all together. But for 合体字, you can separate it to different parts, different components, and it has radicals. Within the 合体字, means a different combination, there are several small groups, or we call it subgroup. The first one we call 上下结构. 上 means top, 下 means bottom. So this kind of character has two parts, top and bottom. 上下结构. So sometimes the top and bottom are same size, like this. Or the top is smaller, bottom is bigger size. Or top is bigger, bottom is smaller, like this. And here is a radical. We will learn later. This is the clue how you are going to find this character in a dictionary when you don't know how to pronounce. 上下结构. So this is two part, top and bottom. The next one is three part. We call 上中下结构. It means has three part: top, center, or middle, and bottom. Three part. It can be almost the same size for three part. You can see this is the top part, this is the middle part, and this is the bottom part. And sometimes the top part is smaller and the bottom one is bigger. And sometimes that one in the middle is smaller and top and bottom a little bit bigger. It's depending on the structure of the character. The third one is also two part, but not top and bottom. It is left and right. We call it 左右结构. So this is left and right. As we see, sometimes both parts are equal, same size. Sometimes left is smaller, and sometimes right is smaller. The small part is the radical. It's a starting point for you to look for the dictionary to find this character. 左右结构. The fourth one, three part. 左中右结构 means left, middle, right. Again, the size could be different depending on the structure. For example, the middle part is smaller or equal like this, similar like this. Okay, the fifth one we call fully enclosed structure. Full means 全, complete, full. 包围 means enclosed or surrounded, like this. It's actually two parts. Outside is totally surrounded, and the part inside is enclosed inside of this frame. Like this one. You see, outside is a square, and inside is a character. Same for this. Alright, 全包围结构 fully enclosed. 全包围结构 is completely surrounded. There's no gap. Alright, next one we have a semi-enclosed structure. Means partially enclosed. We call it 半包围结构. Not totally enclosed. For example, three sides of the character is surrounded or closed, but one side has a gap. This one is the same. The top is not closed, right? And here the bottom is not closed. It can be from different direction. And this one, only two part is closed, and the other two are not. It's called 半包围结构. The next one we call it frame structure. This one you see it has a very clear structure, like a frame. Like when you make a house, you have a roof, you have a supporting part, you have the floor, right? It's all the same. It has a frame structure like this, like a cross. This one is the same. 框架 means frame. 框架结构. Okay, let's try to memorize this. We have two big groups. One is 独体字 made of basic strokes. The other one is 合体字 made of different components or radicals. Within the 合体字, there are 7 small groups, have different combination style. And to understand this structure for character, it will help you to learn and to remember to look up the dictionary in the future. Okay, thank you for watching. 再见，谢谢。